Yeah, so I bought this thing in the dark and didn't realize it came with no plastics. I only paid $4,500 for it though. I mean, that's kind of a steal, right? I mean,
this is high quality. This is high quality seat material.
Dude, Gucci seat.
Is it not?
I don't think it needs the plastics. I think I'm gonna be good without them.
This is a Prada. This is Prada, not Gucci.
Hold on. You gotta clean your air filter, okay?
Nice.
Just a minute.
Well, let me just take this real quick and just. Alright, let's get working now.
Just kick the bike over.
Just literally just.
Wait, boy, bitch.
All right, we're taking the rear. We're taking the rear shock out.
Taking the rear shock out. We drove to New Hampshire today, literally just to buy the rebuild kit. Fucking crazy.
Because this is what the shock looks like.
We showed up to that guy, and that guy was like, "You guys showed up to fucking New Hampshire from Connecticut?"
Here, great. I'll hold it. It'll be a trampoline. Get on it.
Oh, come on.
Hey, you can have a broken brake lever.
Hey, leave me gas.
Oh. Hey, now I can actually. Now you can get me a brake lever.
Oh yeah.
What's funny is I just broke my brake lever on my bike the same way.
Now I need a fucking brake lever.
I'll buy you one.
Come here, I think this will do actually.
Wait, I have an idea.
This actually looks a lot better. I like this look, to be honest. You can like cut your finger on the side while you're at it too.
Great, what's the electrical tape?
No. You don't need electrical tape.
I think it's cool. Ten minutes later. No electrical tape. That's for pussies.
That's fine. That's mint. That's mint.
That is mint. Actually,
That's mint.
I like that. Let's
I
just
got
leave
one.
Alright, done with the fun and games. Let's get this air box out. It's like literally hardly already in.
Yeah, we gotta get this rear shock out. Wow.
We got a Gatorade bottle to fit it.
Oh, wow.
Jesus. Let's see what this thing looks like. Whoa.
She's Jerry.
Whoa there, Nelly.
That's some custom fabric.
That looks really good. Really good, actually. I think I'm gonna keep it.
I wonder what they have in that. I wonder what the drink was.
I'm gonna keep her.
Alright, you gotta take your air locks out. Chicken lager. Put it back in there so you don't lose it. Hold on. Oh. Take it out. Take it out of there.
What's going on? What's going on? Back up, right? Oh, there's that. Come check out this radiator. I spent $1,000 on this just itself. It's pretty sweet, I think. I mean, it makes it so like
Quick release.
any big suspension shit or crashes, like anything you do, it wiggles so like it can't possibly break. It's already broken. I like it.
Semi.
What, Gray? Oh my god, this is scary.
I guess you didn't need to take that off.
Yeah, I told you, gotta keep the whole.
Take it off.
It is off.
Damn, this is light. Holy crap.
It's a suffering.
This is really light. You like bend this.
There you go.
Damn.
Buddy.
That's crazy.
Now we do all these. I got the bolt.
You ever seen something like this before, kid?
No, you don't need an extension. Gray. What's it? Gray. You chicken nuggets.
I want chicken nuggets.
You think you're gonna come into
You've seen something
your
like this,
barn
kid?
and chicken nugget me?
Do it again.
This is why. Actually, no. Yeah.
Tell me I won't throw this.
Okay. Have fun.
Staying too long at the honky-tonk, spending too much just to tie one on. Little less right and a lot more wrong. Sounds like something I do. Calling in sick when the fish are biting, taking those curves.
Gotta undo both the locking rings, get them all the way loose to take the tension off the spring.
So when you're doing this,
Go around.
you gotta loosen this one first, then you gotta loosen this one next. There'll be 2 rings. If you have this handy dandy tool, that'll be very helpful. If not, just use your power. Just use your pure strength.
The gravel flying, keeping one eye on the next horizon. Sounds like something I do. I never had a reason, girl, to go around looking for a fire.
See, this is how you can tell. No longer. No longer.
No longer in business.
No longer.
It's just done.
Let's mix the iron.
Take the pieces off. You go looking like that. Put a little bit of brake cleaner on it, they go like that. That's right. Take your brake cleaner. Throw it down a little towel over here. Just wash that bitch up. Pretty minty.
I should get a top end for my bike, and we could do a top end rebuild video.
For what bike?
We gotta
Huh?
take,
For what bike?
My bike.
we gotta take this off, Declan. See. So we got this cap off. It's just press fit in there. Get a little flathead. Get in there without try not to damage it because it's aluminum.
No, great,
Then
we
this
don't.
cap comes off.
Alright, so we disassembled this top collar right here after loosening all these.
Locking rings.
Took the spring off. As you can see, she blown. So now, released any nitrogen that was in here. And now, we're gonna take this off and drain any fluid. And this thing probably has never been rebuilt,
So it's probably dry.
so there's absolutely nothing in there.
Say to clean it too.
Make sure you say to clean it.
I'm saying say to clean it.
Clean it.
Say to clean it. There's a there's a clip in here that you gotta get out that holds that cap in.
So luckily we had a little bit of fluid from the brake cleaner. So this piece right here was right here. It was sealing this off right here. Obviously it goes like this so it fits in. You have to get it out and pop it out. Obviously get a new piece. If you don't have a new piece, just clean it really well.
Your nice clean rag. Clean.
This cap, the bladder cap, you gotta put a rag over this, grab the nipple with something, and pull the cap out.
Just in case there's any excess pressure. Take out this bottom screw.
Alright, so now the bladder cap is out, bladder is coming out with it.
There used to be fluid in there.
So let me see this camera real quick. So here's what the old bladder looks like. I'll show you what the new one looks like over here. These are all the pieces you're going to need. We'll show you how to put it together when we put it back together. Gray over here. Pan over to Gray.
Just cleaned it out.
Just cleaned it out. Make sure to clean all the components to these.
Take
Rip it off, baby!
the old bladder off. Look at that, she's nice and clean under there.
That's nice.
It's aluminum, so usually when you take it apart, it's gonna have oxidation on it, and all types of crap.
You're gonna want to zip tie this fancy little piece up
Maybe not.
so it doesn't keep annoying you and falling back down.
Turn it if you want it.
Specifically like that.
No.
So zip tie it up.
We're going to tap this metal down to get the cap to pop up for us.
Gotta tap this down.
Clean it real tight.
See this circlip right in here? You gotta get that out. The way I do it is use a small flathead. And just come in here and tap lightly. Get under it. And if you have a pick, use a pick.
That'd be so dope.
There should be fluid in there.
No.
There's nothing.
So I took it out. This is called the piston. Basically, there's some seals in here that we're gonna be replacing, and this seal's messed up, flat, no longer a seal. So we're gonna clean these, take it all apart.
That's it. And the next step would be taking this nut off the top. So next step, and this is a KYB shock. So KYB often comes on a lot of older Kawasaki's. This Kawasaki's an 01 kx250. So usually stock they'll come with KYB front shocks, KYB rear shocks. So you can take a 17 mil. No, we're not gonna impact it. We're gonna go light.
We have the new nut, right?
No.
Hold on. Before we start taking stuff apart, if we can.
All those things that I just showed you on this piece of paper, you're going to need every single one of those pieces to do the full rebuild. So make sure that you take down all those nuts.
Try to attempt to take that off first.
Hold on. Just hold on, guys.
So, keep everything in order.
Just wait. Give me everything you take off.
Hold on.
That's
I'm taking it off. Great.
I'm gonna put it in order.
I'm keeping it in order. That's off.
The boot.
Okay.
So now, take that one off.
That looks about right.
Perfect. So you'll take a nice 2-stroke oil. Dip your clean fingers in it.
Hold up. Finish it.
Oil up your seal.
You can clean this
Very
out.
clean.
You clean it out in here.
No, that's just gonna rest in it. Oil up your seal real nice. You're gonna oil up the shaft. And then you're gonna oil your seal a little bit more.
A little extra oil never hurt no one.
Oil up everything. Take your new seal.
Twist it as you put it on. Yeah, push down and then pull up.
I know, Grayson.
Okay. Ooh.
And you pull.
Oh.
That's fine.
There it goes. Very nice.
Perfect. Now you have a nice new seal on there.
No idea. It's flexible.
It's good. So this piece that I just cleaned goes on top of the stopper. Then you got to drop the piston down. As you can see before, you put it on, lift it up a little bit to make sure the seal down here. There's a seal right here, make sure the seal isn't caught up. It has to be flush on the metal around.
This
Came with a new piece.
this piece, new. This is it, and that's the old piece. This piece goes on there. It's a little flexible. Doesn't feel too flexible though, so I don't want to try and bend it too much. But I guess you gotta cut this old one off, which Declan is about to do.
And all I want
always cut towards your buddy, not your body. So I should have been cutting towards gray. So you'll make a nice little cut. And on this piece, come right off, clean it off.
Definitely lube this up too.
Yep. Take your cleanest rag. Clean it all up. And then take some 2-stroke oil. So Grayson's gonna pour me a nice cup.
Make sure you finish your milk.
So there were 2 little rings in the kit that we got, or all the parts that we got. Didn't know what they went to. When Declan took that piece off, it revealed. Show the camera. It revealed
2 little rings.
2 O-rings. These 2 O-rings.
Where am I at? Alright.
These are the old flattened ones. These are the new ones.
Throw those ones in the ocean.
So,
just kidding. Definitely throw
just
them in the
like with everything, you can use 2-stroke oil. So, coat your fingers, coat the O-rings, because it's rubber. So over time, rubber gets brittle. So if you keep it oiled, it won't be as brittle. Won't dry rot.
dude.
Yes, you guys are fucked up.
So what you're
You
gonna
guys
do?
really-
Take your O-rings, get them back over, one at a time, and they'll seat right in place. So now you're gonna repeat the process.
It's a little workshop.
I know, David. It's a little seat right in place.
I'm ready to work.
Sweatshops over here, Red Barn Builds. No,
So-
bad. Just kidding.
Coat your O-ring. Grayson is the 4-stroke expert, and I am the self-proclaimed 2-stroke expert. So, get both your O-rings on.
Oh my God! Look at all the lube.
Top it off with a little oil. So now you got both your new O-rings. Pretty fancy. So now, you're gonna take your rubber ring.
Rubber-ish.
Ish. We don't know what it is, but it's something. And you're gonna coat that in a nice
I think it's elk
coating of oil.
Yeah.
Just kidding. So, yep, it's definitely some kind of rubber, and you gotta put it on there.
So what we're doing now, since it's like a rubbery material, to get it to form fit over this piece, you're gonna take your heat gun, heat it up, try to get it to be a little more elastic. So get it on one corner.
Push it down. Push it down.
So now, you'll get your seal all the way on, and as it cools, it'll contract back onto it. So
Like a whale in the cold.
clean it off because my hands are a little dirty. And then, I'm gonna take some more 2-stroke oil. Stop, I like it. Take 2-stroke oil, coat her some more. And that seal is good to go. Hold on, let me do a haul. kx250 2-stroke, KYB rear shock repair. I'm gonna do a haul like the girls. So I just bought this from Panera. So first thing that came to mind.
connection.
Factory connection.
Okay.
Let myself get wrapped around somebody's finger, but if I had you, baby, sounds like something
Make sure that everything is back how you took it apart. First throw that down there. And then you're gonna get all your nice fancy little discs to go right below it. I see the 2-stroke one. This will be your best friend with anything you do. Rebuilding top ends, anything. 2-stroke oil. So first
2-cycle.
coat everything. Real nice. Your girl will love you after rebuilding a shock.
Hopefully she'll make you meatloaf or something.
Yeah. That's spaghetti.
And this is the fun part. All these little discs.
That's how it went on, right? You know what I'm saying?
One by one.
Pretty sure that went on. Pretty sure that went on.
So, throw all those on.
Yeah, that's how it went on. You know what I'm saying?
Why not? That's some sugar oil on the tip there. Never hurt nobody.
Yeah, okay.
Now that we got everything back lined up, I'm gonna screw her down. Just always check on it, make sure you're not
See.
overextending it.
Give it a torque wrench.
No, let me see this. See? How far deep were we when we took it out?
About that.
Let's just call it that.
Yeah.
Let's just call it that.
Alright,
I'll give it one more little, just small little. Yeah. Like Declan always says, just rub a little bit of two-stroke oil on anything, you know.
This is the bladder cap.
Even yourself, it's good for beard oil.
Bladder cap, bladder.
Yep, we got the bladder cap, we got the bladder here, brand new bladder. I recommend getting everything new.
Let's have it. Just let it drip around.
I recommend getting everything new, but I mean, you could always just rebuild it. Probably get a couple seals, but. I'll do a little bit on the outside as well. Alright, we're gonna get that baby on there. A little zoomed in. Is it good? Damn, that light's bright, huh? Alright, we're on here. Everything's looking good. Okay.
This is the bladder housing. This section is the bladder housing. So we don't have shock fluid or fork fluid. We don't have fork fluid or shock fluid. We looked it up. ATF, full synthetic ATF is like the same kind of. It has the same properties.
This will work.
It has the same properties as shock fluid. So we're gonna use that. So you gotta fill the bladder housing. They say 1.5 inches from the top, and then put the bladder in so it spills out and fills all the voids. But we're gonna fill it up halfway, because the bladder fills this whole void pretty well.
Alright, we're gonna get this done now. Alright.
Okay.
So now you're going to want to hit this down so you can get the circlip back in.
One more.
That's good.
Now you're gonna take this clip here and bring the camera over here, please. You're gonna take this clip here real quick. You're gonna grab a little bit of two-stroke oil. Always. Just fucking rub it on there. And you're gonna get it right in here where you can see it. Remember we took it off earlier in the video.
We're going to do essentially the same process as earlier. You're going to take your rag, your grips, over the needle, and you're going to want to pull it up so it meets that circlip and holds everything in.
You got it. It's Gucci. Pull it up on the side a tiny bit more.
One for good measure.
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, so she's set in place. Nice.
So now you're gonna do the same thing you just did with this. You're gonna go to a little bit below this line right here on the inside, as you can see.
Go to about
halfway.
here. Halfway. Go like here. Yeah.
Alright.
Got a lot of brains working at once here.
I see.
That's good. It's good.
Press down Get some of the fluid out.
Get some air in there.
Do like a PSI.
So make sure
Pull it up.
after you put the piston down in, and you can see the oil on the top, you've got to press a little bit of air into it.
Okay, that's good. So as you pull this in, you're gonna want to suck out all the excess.
I know. Let me go a little late.
Press down a little more.
Cleaning my truck, get it pushing 80, picking you up, and later maybe getting one kiss and going half crazy. Sounds like something I do. I never had a reason, girl, to go around looking for a fire to walk through. It ain't like me to want some.
Oh no, yeah, definitely's got to go down more.
I was gonna say there's nothing to like put it into.
Yeah.
So just gonna hold this up. So you'll push the shock down.
Huh.
Okay.
There we go.
We're almost there.
Cool.
All right.
And now, to set the O-ring and everything, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of air in it. And there's that.
Rearranging all my want-tos. I ain't the concept.
So before, our rubber little stopper here was completely deteriorated, so we had to buy a new one. Make sure you have one of these on there, you need that. But yeah, it looks pretty much how it did. We took it apart. Just everything on the inside is brand new, which is nice.
So now, we're going to bench bleed it.
Let myself get wrapped around somebody's finger, but if I had you, baby, sounds like something I do.
Now, and now, you're just gonna want to reverse the process.
I ain't the kind to settle down and let my heart get wrapped around some.
You didn't hear, that's that go-go juice.
The go-go layer.
So you'll know
Good methane.
it's the right way
I gotta stand right in
when it sits
It smells really good.
flush on the bottom right here.
Smoked out.
Yeah, you better get fucked.
So
Oh my god.
now you're gonna want to push this down. You're gonna want to put this collar on, and you're gonna want to slide that in place. Everything will sit back up nice like that. And now you take your adjuster.
Hold on, Declan. Hold on. Hold up. What? Love using this stuff. ARP, baby.
So God forbid you ever have to take this apart again. That'd be nice.
What's it up? Okay.
It's a spring. I know I've been hitting the gym, but not that hard.
Declan just puts
You take it to go get nitrogen filled, and then you adjust your shock to your weight setting, and then from there, you're good.
Somebody's finger, but if I had you, baby, sounds like something, baby. Oh, it sounds like something, baby. Sounds like something I do. Staying too long at the home honky tonk, spending too much just to tie one on. Little less right and a lot more wrong. Sounds like something I do. Calling in sick when...
That is how 3 grown men rebuild a shot.
For the first time for all of us.
Yeah, first time for all of us.
Cut that out. We farted way too much. This guy.
You're not even able to hear it at all. You're probably not even able to hear it anyways.
Just be serious. Just be serious for this ending.
Yeah, so that's how you rebuild the shack.
Toss the piggy. Toss the.
Oh my God.
Toss the piggy. Yeeted that bitch.
Alright, so that's how you finish up building a rear shock for a 01 kx250.
$190 and a 6-hour drive to New Hampshire. And
Or be smart.
a couple
and just-
blue lights.
Or be smart and just order the parts and it'll get to your door in about 5 days. Or just drive. Just drive and
Because we care about
Get
our
it done.
subscribers.
get it done.
We want to get the content out as quickly as possible. So these 2 fine gentlemen took a nice little roadie to go grab all the parts.
6 hours, couple blue lights later, got some good content for y'all peoples out there. Like and subscribe, please.
There will be a lot more dirt bike content too, because I should probably do a top end on my bike, so we can get a video out on how to rebuild a top end on a 2-stroke, and a lot more to come.
Also, don't forget, we're going to go through nitrogen in this tomorrow. I'm not going to be there. My buddy Grabber here is going to do it for me. He's going to stop by Libby's in New Haven, Connecticut, and he's going to get it done for me. And then you'll get some content of us ripping it on Thursday. It'll be rebuilt. You can see now it's halfway taken apart. But yeah, it'll be looking clean and washed up on Thursday and ready to get dirty again.